Hello, I'm Dr. Janet Six, Senior Product Manager at Tom Sawyer Software, and today we're going to talk about how to use diagram navigation in model-based engineering. We have opened a diagram, which is part of a model for an automobile in Tom Sawyer Model-Based Engineering. You can now navigate through diagrams through links on model elements. These links were placed on the model elements in No Magic MagicDraw or Cameo. We hover over the diagram icon, double-click, and we navigate to the linked diagram. We return back to the original diagram and show how we can navigate through links on comments as well. We can hover on the diagram icon and double-click, or we can select the comment, right-click, and choose Navigate to Linked Diagram. In addition to navigating to diagrams through links on model elements or comments, you can also open a diagram through the diagram tree on the left side of the application. Here we select Wheel Hub Assembly, then Open, and the new diagram appears. In today's video, we discussed how to use diagram navigation in Tom Sawyer Model-Based Engineering. You can try this demo on the Graph Application Examples page at the Tom Sawyer Software website. Thanks for joining us. Contact Tom Sawyer Software today to start your free trial of Tom Sawyer Perspectives or Tom Sawyer Model-Based Engineering.